Welcome to Trade Pro. This is the release video for a free indicator available on TradingView in the public library. It's called the Trade Pro Rejection Zone Indicator. And I wanted to make this video just to announce it and its release, and also talk about how I would use it, how it can be helpful, how it can help you trade profitably in the long run. So let's talk about this indicator and get into things after a quick shout out to my affiliate, Capitalize.ai. Capitalize allows traders to create and automate their trading strategies just by typing them out in plain English. No coding knowledge required. You can simulate, backtest, and deploy strategies all from your phone and all for free. They now have dollar cost averaging functionality, so check it out with my link in the description down below if interested, along with my other affiliates. Thank you. All right, let's talk about this indicator and how it can help your trading results. Now, this indicator has two main use cases. One is as a short-term trend direction indicator. So for instance, if the cloud is green, you can know price is in a short-term uptrend and you know to look for long positions. If it's red, you know price is in a short-term downtrend, and then you can look for shorting opportunities. And the second use case is as an area of rejection or support depending on the trend direction. So when price pulls back to this red cloud in a downtrend, you can look to short when it's in the cloud. And in an uptrend, when price pulls into the green cloud, you can potentially get into a long position, knowing that this is often an area where price will find support in an uptrend. Of course, you can utilize other things such as hidden divergence and regular divergence of a lower time frame to your advantage to better spot these opportunities and get into the trend at a good price. But let's just take a look here and see kind of what happens when price pulls back into this area. And as you can see, often price will reject out of this area. We see it happening about 5 times on this little downtrend here before the trend actually reverses here. So of course you're going to take a loss if you're looking to enter short on this last pullback that turns into the reversal. But then it flips green and we can take a look at the times where price finds support in this zone. And it's not perfect. We do see pullbacks that go below it, and it's not going to work perfectly every time, but nothing is. And as you can see, we have quite a few opportunities to enter into this uptrend. It acts as an area of support and resistance in trends, and it also kind of tells you what the short-term trend direction is, so you know which direction to be trading with. So it's a very simple indicator, and let's talk about what the indicator is actually made up of now. Here are the settings pulled up, and as you can see, it's a very simple indicator made up of 2 exponential moving averages. It simply shades the area between these 2 exponential moving average, and the default is a 20 period and 50 period exponential moving average. So if the 20 period is over the 50 period exponential moving average, the cloud will be green, and if the 20 is below the 50, the cloud will be red. You can visually see this if you would like as well. Let's turn these on so you can actually see the exponential moving averages, although I prefer the cleaner look without being able to see those moving averages. So I like to just make them invisible and have it just be the cloud for just a cleaner look. Now, let's talk about more advanced strategy using this indicator and combining it with other things, as I believe just looking at this with this indicator and simply buying and selling based on pullbacks isn't quite going to be enough for long-term profitable results, although it may be. I'm not certain about that. I do recommend adding in perhaps a higher period exponential moving average for the longer term trend direction. So here I have a 200 period exponential moving average for the longer term trend that you can also use as a trend filter, and also something like the RSI, or maybe a stochastic RSI, or something that you can use to spot hidden and regular divergence with. So let's take a look at some of these pullbacks and see if we can spot any good trading opportunities. Well, let's take a look right here where we have a green cloud. We see a price pulled back into the green cloud, and at the same time we can spot a hidden bullish divergence on the RSI. So this pullback here could potentially be a great buying opportunity. We see it happen again on this next pullback into the green cloud and on the RSI with the hidden bullish divergence. Right in this pullback, we get the higher low on price, but a lower low on the RSI, giving us the potential buying opportunity with the pullback here being over the 200 EMA and having a green cloud with the hidden bullish divergence. You can kind of combine these things to your advantage and get into the trend, essentially getting in at a discounted price and expecting a continuation move. All right. So I think that pretty much covers everything with this indicator. It's super simple, and yes, you could just put a 20 period and a 50 period EMA onto your chart and it would essentially be the exact same thing, but this does provide a nice visual aid. And for people who have a free TradingView membership, this does put two indicators into one indicator, seeing as free TradingView membership only allows you to have three indicators on your chart at once. That could be a benefit for some people as well. But the main benefit is acting as a nice visual and something that can give you a short-term trend direction outlook and looking for areas of resistance or support depending on the trend direction. So that's what it is. Very simple free indicator that I think is helpful for any trend trader. All right, so that's going to finish things up. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below for the YouTube algorithm so that the video can spread to more people can use the indicator. Remember, it's completely free, so want to get this to as many people as possible. And also don't forget to check out my affiliate links down below if you're interested. Thank you.